So is this going inside? Yeah. Okay. So gel coat, then fibra, and then this, and then fibra. Okay. Okay, so basically what we're going to do here is we're laying this honeycomb material. First we're putting down a layer of gel coat, and then we're putting fiberglass on top of this, and then we're putting this honeycomb layer on top of that. And then on top of that level, we're going to put the fiberglass again. So this is going to become a very strong and rigid outer wall. So this is the outer wall that is being made right here. And this is the inner wall. And we will have the first unit complete this afternoon. I think they'll be able to pull the mount before they leave for the day, or maybe they'll let it set overnight and it'll be ready tomorrow. Probably, I would say probably would be ready tomorrow morning. So they would pull it out and then get another set going tomorrow morning. And then probably about 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, start working on the next one after that. So basically by the end of tomorrow, we should have enough of these sections to go all the way around the EcoPod model. So we are working on the wall now. We have made the wall, both the inside and the outside. Now we've put the two together into the mold. We're just sealing this one side here, and then if you follow me over here, this side is open, and we're just about ready to use this special foam, which is a two-component foam. So we blend this with this, and then it reacts and becomes this foam that expands. We actually have some of that on our the original plug material we used for the side of the EcoPod, and it's foam material like this. So it's going to be like this when it's finished. And that's just going to be on the inside of between these two walls. So it's going to add a lot of strength as well. This by itself is not a strong material, but when you are sandwiching it with a couple layers of honeycomb material and fiberglass material, there's a total of about 6 different layers of materials. So it becomes incredibly strong, and so I think this is probably going to be ready to pull out end of day today, or probably more likely tomorrow morning. I thought they were going to do each side individually, but it's interesting that we're actually putting the inner wall and the outer wall together. Again, because we have the mold, there's one mold for the outer wall, there's one mold for the inner wall. So I thought we were going to have them as 2 separate molds. We'd place them on the edge of the EcoPod, and then have a gap between the two, and then fill it with foam there. But we're actually putting the 2 molds together with the walls already made on the inside, and then we're filling it with this foam material. So we should be able to have a final, the first wall done very soon. So maybe even today. We'll see. Fingers crossed.